Hey y'all, so this is the finished product of my lip glosses. I wouldn't necessarily call this a fail. It actually did turn out great and I'm excited to get my bigger size tubes. So if you want to see how I got these lip glosses, keep watching. Hey y'all, it's Kobe and I'm back with another video. And this video I'm going to show y'all how to make lip gloss. And I was so excited, I'm going to say up front, to actually make lip gloss. And I ordered the lip gloss tubes and they came and they're minis. But I'm going to make it work. I'm going to see how it turns out. As long as the lip gloss turns out good, I can still sell those for like $2 a piece and see how they do. So I am going to show you guys everything I got. Everything came today. I got everything from Amazon. And I want to say if the lighting is bad, I do apologize. Okay. Sorry y'all, I had to check myself out. But I ordered everything from Amazon and everything came today and I'm so excited, and I want to do this video real quick because I'm actually about to celebrate New Year's. It's actually New Year's Eve. I'm not for sure when I'm gonna upload this video, but yes, so I definitely want to get this done before I actually head out. So let's see, I got the lip gloss tubes. I got this vanilla flavoring. I don't know if it would. I don't know. There you go. Vanilla flavoring as well. And then you need coconut oil. I have these cute little glitters. It's like chunk glitters up top and more grinded, more powdered glitters at the bottom. Cosmetic glitters is actually, it's really safe. And then I got these different colors. It's like 24 of them. It's several. I'm not gonna go through them all. I did look through these and I'm gonna try like three colors and see how they turn out. I got the Versagel, got this from Amazon as well. I have the pipettes, which actually was a lot of them. And then I have my syringes, and I have these at the house. Some gloves, and I have some bowls down here. When I start mixing them, I'm gonna actually angle it down. I'm on my kitchen table, so I'll try to fix it so I'm not like out of the angle. I do my best. So yes, I'm gonna pick like the three colors that I really like and then like compare it to the glitters that I have, because I definitely wanna do some glitter ones. At least try like two with glitters. I'm just curious to see how it'll turn out. So let's see. All right, y'all, so I'm back. I went ahead and opened the syringes and I cut the pipettes and I got my gloves on. So I'm about to go ahead and start. I'm gonna angle the camera down so that you guys can see what I'm doing. If I get out of frame, I do apologize, but I don't want y'all to be able. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what I am doing. So yes, so I got my Versagel. And I'm gonna, you probably can't see. And I'm not gonna put much in the bowls because always add. Remember, you can always add quicker than you can take away. You can take away, but it's just easier to always add, not take away. Okay, I forgot two more knives, so I'll be right back. All right, y'all, so I'm back. Once again, I do apologize, I'm out of frame, but I'm going to start with this color, and it is called Pink. And once again, I got all of the products from Amazon. This color I got, y'all, is brown. And then I'm about to do red. All right, y'all. I'm going to, can you see? Mix up the pink. And then we're going to add the coconut oil to loosen it up. See how that looks. So it's thick. And just stir it. And just keep adding till I get a nice consistency. I like had did larger amounts, but if I would have gotten the, sorry y'all, if I would have gotten the right size lip gloss tubes, I wasn't even paying attention to the size of the tubes. I just saw, I don't even understand. I look back at my order and I'm like, how did I not see? And I might need to add, I'm gonna add some more of the Versagel. Y'all, I will admit that I can probably lift it up now. Yeah, because I can hold it up at this point. I will admit this is a lot more stirring than I thought. Because I mean, I've watched the videos, of course, there we go. It's getting somewhere. Of course, you know, they obviously edit their videos down, but I didn't realize. I think this is a nice consistency. Like how much, like you really gotta whip it. I mean, you really gotta put a little flick of the wrist with it. But I think, because you don't want it too watery, like too wet, too loose. And then you don't want it too thick. So I think that's a good amount, and I'm gonna try. I'm gonna actually try to fill these, actually. Oh yeah, and I have and this is a vanilla flavoring. So I'm gonna put a couple drops of these, and this is harmless. Okay, and y'all, it's so cute because they're so small. I might not even have to use the syringes. They come with little plungers. So I'm gonna try those and see. Like y'all, I'm still like, how, I don't know what I don't understand. I couldn't tell you how I didn't notice that they were this small. I think I was just so excited that I had a good amount. It's like 25 of these for like $11, and I'm like, okay, you know, that's good. And didn't pay attention. Did not pay any attention to. Yeah. So I'm gonna try these. And it actual fail. I'm not gonna do that. That did not work out as planned. I'm gonna stick to the original. Get a syringe. And I know it's gonna be, oh, it's probably hard. And I do apologize, y'all. I did not, once again, know. And I'll take some pictures, but did not know that they were so small. But I definitely wanted to get this video out. It could be lip gloss fail, but once again, and this is like a very pale pink. It's more of like a nude. I think I'm gonna do like 4 of these, and then I'm gonna get to the other colors. All right, y'all, I'm back, and I went ahead and mixed the red and the brown up, and now I'm about to put them in these cute little mini. And you don't want to fill it. That is cute. Too far up, because we have to put a stopper in. Those are cute. It's actually really cute. I figured it would turn out cute. It sucks that it's so small, but and this brown color, I did want to use one of those glitters, but like I say, I got to be somewhere, and I just definitely want to play with it, but I'll definitely have more time to play with it. But ooh, fix that, and then I'll show y'all the brown. Ooh, messy. Let me put a stopper in there. Look, y'all. That brown color is beautiful. Just imagine that with one of those shimmers. And of course, when I get the bigger glosses, I'm definitely going to go all out and play with them. But I'm actually pretty happy with how they turned out. Actually, like, the more I look at them, they are adorable. Of course, I get like views, but they turned out really good. So yes, so I'm just gonna finish filling the rest of these up, and then I'll show you after everything is done. I am going to clean them in the sink, sanitize them, because it does get messy no matter how clean you try it to be. And there is some excess like residue gloss on the outside, especially the tops. So I'm gonna definitely clean those, but they're actually really cute. Like, yes, that brown is nice. They're really cute. The pink, the what was it, a pale? The pink, the red, they're beautiful. So yes guys, I'm gonna finish wrapping up, and I will catch you guys in the next video. I will have everything linked down below. I'm gonna try to get like the actual web link per item from Amazon, but I got everything from Amazon. You just need the Versagel, some coconut oil, the pipette, and the syringes. Really, the extras was the glitter and the vanilla flavoring. That's of your choice. But yes, I'm definitely excited with continuing to make my lip gloss. It's actually quite fun. So yes, guys, thank you all so much for watching my videos. Stay tuned for more videos. I have a lot of things coming. I've been jotting down, I've been planning, I've been getting more into videos about planning and things of that nature. But yes, I have a lot of more good, great content for you guys. This is just the beginning. So stay tuned and enjoy the ride. So yes, y'all have a good night. Everybody be blessed and Happy New Year, because by the time you guys see this video, it will be 2020. Can y'all believe it's about to be 2020? Like, just thinking about that, it's kind of like scary at times. Like, woo, yes. So yes, everybody be blessed. Happy New Year, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye.